Greetings from a very sunny Nassau, Bahamas. So today is day 2 and we are currently in downtown Nassau and we're heading to the Rum Cake Factory. So we're gonna get some rum cake. I've heard that they had testers, so we're gonna get some rum cake, try it out, definitely buy some to take home back to our B&B, and then head back this way to explore downtown. So let's go. All right, so this little crowd ahead of us, I believe, is in front of the Rum Cake Factory. So I believe we're getting close because the cruise ships dock in downtown Nassau. So yeah, this looks like stony coral. All right, so here we are at the Bahamas Rum Cake Factory. Excuse me. You can definitely smell the rum in the air. Hello.
Hello, how you doing?
Hi, good day. I'm well, thank you. How are you?
The flavors, welcome, lovely. Go and try some samples, okay?
Okay, thank you. All right, so let me show you the flavors. All right, so they got amaretto, banana, caramel, chocolate, cinnamon, coconut coffee, Irish cream, Kentucky bourbon, key lime, mocha cappuccino, original with pecans, Pinacolada, pineapple, and strawberry, and then there's a bunch of samples. So you get to try the samples, and then you get to figure out what flavors you want. I think I'm gonna try the original with pecan and chocolate. What flavor do you think you want to try? And then we'll just figure out how much the rum cake costs. And we'll figure out which flavors we get after we taste it. Which one's gonna try? Amaretto and Kentucky bourbon. Ooh, she's trying to get drunk. She's trying to get drunk. Okay, mama.
Well, it is rum cake. They have Irish cream too.
She said, don't be shy. She said,
Irish cream. I'll try the Irish cream, amaretto, and Kentucky bourbon.
okay, so she said Irish cream, amaretto, and Kentucky bourbon. Those are the samples that we finna try, and then go from there. That's what I'm gonna try, and chocolate.
Because it's 4 for $22.50 for the baby cake.
All right, so the rum cake is rummin', okay? The pina colada packs a punch. I really like the original flavor. Ooh, child. I feel like I took a shot of alcohol. I think I'm gonna do, so it's $37.50 for 6 cakes, six cakes, right? So it's 1 for 7, 4 for $22.50. How many do you think we should get? You want to get 6? 4 for 22.
You guys out, taste the original and pina colada, guys.
They got the chocolate ones being made.
That's really good.
Yeah.
One bite.
Mommy got extra samples for the rollout. I got extra samples because these samples is, whoo. Let's go this way. All right, so behind me in the way is the Rum Cake Factory. I'm like super zoomed in. But yeah, this place is cute. The workers, everybody is so friendly. So now let's head into downtown. So I tasted this off camera. I'm gonna taste it again for you. Like you can see the pecans. I don't want to drop it. It's so soft, like you don't even have to chew it. But I feel like by the time,
Whatever those are, those
by the time I finish eating it, I'm gonna be drunk, especially with the pina colada because the original It's good. It's not that strong. But that pina colada packs a punch. So the flavors that I got was chocolate. My mom picked banana for my dad. And then we got pina colada and original. Those are the flavors. And this here is a pina colada. Mama, I'm recording. Yeah. Rum Cake Factory. Definitely a must when in the Bahamas. Because those cakes, chef's kiss. All right, let's go to downtown, back into downtown Nassau. All right, so this is Parliament Square. That's Queen Victoria. In downtown Nassau. As you make our way further in to see all the touristy attractions. All right, so just a quick update. I got a souvenir. It's more on the pricey side. This is my first big jewelry purchase. I got these stars there under the heart bracelet. So I got that from a jewelry store, and I got a pendant for my necklace. And then a stone's throw down is the straw market, the famous straw market. Let me show you the outside of it. So this is the outside of the straw market, right? It says you have these little people. Let me just show you really quickly. Hello. Yes, thank you. Excuse. Ooh. All right. So this is the front of the show market. Right, show market. We got the people outside. Right. So this is the outside of the show market. And then over here they have the wood carvers, right? Trinidad and Jamaica, yeah. And then when you go inside, right, this is the market. You want to come back inside with me, mommy? You want to walk back inside with me or you want to have a seat? So you have the souvenirs all throughout this shop. It's really, really cute in here. Hello. All the souvenirs that you could want, come to the market because I'm gonna come around and say it's so crowded. Mom, Ma, I'm gonna just go this way, okay? So you got your shot glasses, your magnets, your dresses and wraps. Come, I cannot stress enough because I bought these little souvenir bags from somebody on the street. They told me it was 4 for $10. I said, okay, I don't haggle. I don't know how to haggle. I came here and they told me it was 3 for $5. Yeah, so I support the local though. Support the local economy. It happens. Not upset, but come to the market. Those bags similar to this that I had got. Magnets, earrings.
Yes.
And then, the further in you go, you see the jewelry. Excuse me.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. So you have those types of souvenirs here. Cute stuff. These is the bags. So I paid 4 for $10, but they said 3 for $5. So. And they have souvenirs, lanyards, postcards, pocketbooks, everything. The show market.
Hi, honey.
All right, so I think the last thing that you saw was the straw market. After the straw market, we continued walking. We're walking to a place called The Fry. I'm not exactly sure the real name of it, but The locals call it the Fry. It's a place where you could get a bunch of different seafood options, like different restaurants selling different things. You get conch salad, cracked conch, all that good stuff. So that's where we're heading. We're walking along the water. Like, let me show you the views. Like, tell me that's not paradise. Because, like, now in terms of vibes, the Bahamas got that covered. In terms of the views, the Bahamas got that covered too. So I'll check back into you when we get to the food place, because it's said to be like maybe 7 minutes from here. I feel like I could see it in the distance. So yeah. All right, so we are currently in a restaurant called Big Yard, which was recommended to us by a local. It is in the area called The Fry. Let me tell you a little story. So we first was stopped by someone telling us, like, come to the restaurant, they have the best prices. We walked around, we looked at all the prices. We was like, you know what, their prices are more affordable, so we're gonna go there. We went into the restaurant. There was nobody inside the restaurant. The restaurant, there's like food. We went upstairs. There was nobody. There was nobody in this restaurant. I don't even think there was a chef there, okay? So then we said we had to use the bathroom. The bathroom is not in any side of the restaurant. It's just like a public bathroom in the middle of everything. So we went to the bathroom, which was a savior. So we left the restaurant, went to the bathroom, and then we got a local recommendation to come here and one other place. And mommy said when we was walking, the guy was like shouting for us to come back to his restaurant. Weird, right? Okay, so I ordered a fish burger. Mommy ordered a regular burger, and we got conch fritters because mommy really wants us to try this other restaurant. And we also went food shopping, so we have stuff to make dinner in the house. So this is just a quick lunch, and the prices are really expensive. So we got some quick, cheap bites because there's a specific place that she really just wants to go to. Thank you. And yeah, so that's what's happening. We're at a restaurant called Big Yard, and I'll show you the food when it comes. All right, so first order out, these are the conch fritters. And then this is the fish burger with french fries, cheeseburger with french fries, fish cakes. This is the total conch fritters. This is the total spread. And yes, I know it's basic, but you'll understand later.